China has developed its technology rapidly over the last 10 years, and the new battery technology they have been working on behind closed doors is quite sophisticated. It will essentially eliminate any rivalry that gets in China's way. What makes these new batteries so innovative, and how will they affect consumers in the industry? Join us as we examine China's most cutting-edge battery technology, which is poised to upend the entire electronics sector. Get ready for a huge tectonic disruption. A Chinese business has recently revealed a nuclear battery that will last 50 years without rechargeable batteries. This type of battery, also referred to as an atomic battery, works by dissolving radioactive materials. Nuclear batteries are unlike normal ones that drain out within minutes in computers and phones. They live long because the radioactive elements they use decay slowly. These batteries are not only durable, but also perform well in harsh environments, but there are also some disadvantages. They are costly due to the fact that they employ expensive and scarce materials such as plutonium. They also have a lower power output and therefore are suitable for low-energy devices such as clocks or thermometers. Also, safety and environmental issues are important because the materials contain radioactive elements which may leak or cause other problems. There are various types of nuclear batteries depending on the way they convert nuclear energy into electrical power. Others use atomic engines or thermonuclear batteries, the most common and effective type to convert the heat generated from nuclear disintegration into energy. On the other hand, non-thermonuclear batteries, which are the smallest and safest kind, use electric charge of particles from nuclear disintegration to generate power by diodes or transistors. Any type of nuclear battery requires a radioactive source to produce power. Picture yourself having a battery that will not need to be recharged for 50 years. This is what China's Betavolt innovative energy technology has done with their unique modular nuclear battery, which combines the power of a cutting-edge diamond, semiconductor, and radioactive isotope. Betavolt is a young, forward-thinking company created in April 2021 by professionals and specialists, driven by the desire to create revolutionary energy technologies. Fourth-generation diamond semiconductors, which are materials with the best electrical conductivity and atomic energy batteries, represent its main products. It also manufactures supercapacitors, rapid releasing and high energy storage, and release devices which are ultra-long carbon nanotubes. The first generation of devices from Betavolt are based on diamond semiconductor converters and Schottky diodes that act as electrical components capable of changing voltage and current. Such elements are employed by Betavolt's nuclear batteries to convert radioactive decay energy into electrical power. The company seeks to manufacture nuclear batteries that are applicable in defense, space applications, medical equipment, among others, which need a reliable and long-lasting power source. Nuclear batteries are not a new concept, but its application has been restricted to specific applications such as deep-sea probes and spacecraft powering. They function by using devices such as thermocouples or Stirling engines to convert the heat generated from radioactive decay of certain atoms into electricity. Nevertheless, in 2016, an innovative method was introduced that employed small diamond layers embedded with radioactive isotopes like carbon-14. The aim is to choose an isotope that emits beta particles, fast electrons or positrons. Upon release, they interact with the diamond structure and act as a semiconductor to produce an electric current. This is what Betavolt achieved. The Beijing-based company claims to achieve a world first in miniaturization of atomic energy by placing 603 radioactive isotopes into the module that measures smaller than a penny. They use the isotope nickel-63 with a half-life of about 100 years that produces beta particles which are harmless to humans. As stated in the press release of this business, atomic energy batteries can be applied for different purposes such as microprocessors, advanced sensors, medical equipment, and small drones, etc. The battery works by using a fourth-generation diamond semiconductor with high conversion efficiency and low resistance to convert beta particle energy into electrical current. Consequently, the battery does not require any maintenance and has no negative impact on nature to provide a constant and continuous power output for up to 50 years. Zhang Wei, Betavolt chairman and CEO, said that the BV100 will be their first product launch. The BV100 is an impressive engineering achievement given its size, just 15 by 15 by 5 cubic millimeters, and it could be anything else. It has a power output of 100 microwatts and voltage of about 3 volts, which may not sound much, but it is enough to operate various low-energy devices such as medical implants, smart sensors, micro-robots, etc. The BV100 does not need to be recharged or maintained. It produces an energy of 8.64 joules per day, and yearly, the figure is calculated as being equal to 3,153 joules a year. This means that the BV100 can provide constant and stable power for 5 decades, longer than any regular battery would last. The BV has various advantages over conventional batteries, including lithium-ion ones. It has a higher energy density of more than 10 times that allows it to store much more energy within the same volume. It has a power output of 3,300 megawatts per gram, and it is as powerful as 3 nuclear reactors, which makes it one of the most potent compact energy sources on Earth. The BV100 poses no risk of fire or explosion because it does not contain any combustible or explosive ingredients. It can tolerate difficult circumstances, including high temperatures, fluctuating loads, and radiation, while still providing steady and consistent performance. This makes the BV100 suited for a wide range of applications requiring great dependability and endurance. It is also suitable for human usage because it emits no external radiation that might harm the body. The business says that it may be used to power medical equipment placed in bodies such as pacemakers and cochlear implants, offering a dependable and long-lasting power supply. The BV100 is a special device that can be put together with more batteries to make it stronger or work better. It can be used for things like small gadgets you wear, smart sensors, tiny robots, small drones, or even electric cars. The company says that the BV100 can open up new ideas and cool things in areas like healthcare, talking to people, keeping things safe, and getting around. Betavolt does not intend to rest with the BV100. It has big plans for tomorrow. It intends to develop a 1-watt nuclear battery by the year 2025, which may lead to revolutions in mobile communication and aviation. The business envisions a future whereby nuclear batteries could power cell phones and laptops forever, turning drones from short-range pilots to long-range explorers. As per the business, 1-watt nuclear batteries can be a game-changer in the 5G and beyond era with infinite connection that is uninterrupted. The business also claims that their success positions China at the forefront of 2 high-tech fields: atomic energy batteries and 4th-generation diamond semiconductors. The firm says their technology is way ahead of the research and development in Europe and America by institutions, corporations. They're happy to show China's creativity. Naturally, the Chinese will turn everything into a competition with the West. Currently, nuclear batteries are mainly used in space missions because they can work even where there is no sunlight or any other source of energy. For instance, the Voyager probes that were launched in 1977 have nuclear batteries which ensure they remain functional even outside of our solar system. The Voyager probes, the farthest man-made objects in space, are still feeding us with knowledge of secrets hidden in the universe. However, Betavolt is working to rectify this and ensure that nuclear batteries may be utilized for purposes other than space exploration. It makes sense to believe that electric cars will significantly benefit from this technology in the future, since it will be extremely helpful for China and the rest of the globe. Additionally, Betavolt stated that they're testing and refining their nuclear battery, which is now in its pilot stage. They intend to begin mass-producing it shortly in an effort to lower the cost and increase accessibility. Additionally, they hope to create a wider variety of nuclear batteries with various radioactive materials, each with unique benefits and characteristics. They wish to investigate the potential and prospects of compact, portable nuclear energy. What are your thoughts on this? Tell us in the space provided for comments.